Okay, so we are gonna have you guys pick A, B, or C to match line number 1. So you guys are gonna tell us what line from here do you think matches this line?
C.
C.
C. B.
These 3 lines match line number 2.
B.
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 B. B.
Okay. Okay, line number 3. From A, B, and C, which of the following lines match line number 3?
A.
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 A. C.
Line number 4. Which of the following 3 lines match line number 4?
A.
Line matches with this line.
I just say it out loud now too.
B. Here's line 1. Which one matches with this line? Here's line 1. Which matches?
So chances are, since we did that,
Matches with
since everyone's gonna be asking different stuff off, chances are if you put something that you're number 1, it's probably not gonna be
Which one matches with line 1?
Let me see if I got it.
B. Here's line 2.
Yeah.
Just I invited my friend, so.
Which line matches with this one?
We're just
B.
gonna answer. I'm gonna
Chances are, it's
answer it the best of your ability, okay?
I mean, I was very good, you guys.
So we're gonna start with line number 1. If you guys one at a time can tell me what
I know.
Which one
line
matches?
A, B, or C matches line 1. So,
Which one matches? B. C.
Yeah, I
And then here's line 3.
Yeah, I worked 12.
Which one
we can start over and we put, okay.
I do, so I do this stuff like that.
Which one matches with this one?
We used to do that, but we all kind of don't like to.
Okay.
Yeah, it was
Okay,
pretty
so we
consistent.
are gonna have you guys pick A, B, or
Everything's
C
gonna be
to match
But
line
now
number
we're
1. So
kind of
you guys are gonna tell us
Your parents have
what
a lot of
A.
siblings around.
line from here do you think matches this line?
My dad has me suddenly hearing my mom doesn't talk to her.
You have cousins.
Which line matches?
A.
What line?
I mean,
A.
Matches? B. C. All 4 lines?
Okay, Trina. So today I am interviewing you on your answers to the line questions that we asked you in the experiment. So during the experiment, we asked you to pick which of these 3 lines matched line 4. Can you tell me which your answer was?
B.
Okay. Can you tell me why you picked B?
Because it looks like that line that's asking what it looks like.
It's the closest match?
Yeah.
Okay. So everybody else in the group said that the answer was A. Why did you not follow what they said?
Because that was the wrong answer, clearly.
But even though they were all older than you and they all picked that answer, why did you pick B?
Because it was the right answer.
During the experiment, did you conform when presented by any of the 4 lines?
Yes, I did.
Why?
Because I thought I was wrong because everyone else picked the other one.
Hello everyone, this is the interview with my sister Louisa. These first set of questions are going to be related to Piaget's stages. Are you ready for the first one? All right, so the first one is, when presented with a question, do you use your imagination and abstract thought to solve it, or do you use logic and answer it with evidence and facts?
Well, I think it depends on the question. So if you're presented with something that you know, that you have knowledge of, then you're obviously going to use logic and reason for it. But if you don't know anything about the question, you're going to try to come up with something and be creative.
All right, good. The next question is, do you often think about the future and are fascinated with its possibilities, or do you not think about it that much?
Yeah, I think about the future. The future excites me, like what is in store, like, yeah.
All right. So the next one is, do you believe that there is only one solution or multiple solutions to a problem?
I think it depends on the problem. So if it's like a math problem, like 2 plus 2, it's obviously going to be one solution 4. But if you're presented with a conflict, like with a peer, then you're obviously going to think of what kinds of solutions you can do to solve the problem.
The next question is, do you think that you can provide an answer to a question without having experienced anything related to the topic?
Well, if you haven't experienced anything related to the topic and you don't know what the topic is either, then you obviously can't answer it. I guess you could try to, with the best of your ability, to try to answer it, but yeah.
All right, so these next set of questions are going to be related to Erickson's 8 stages of development. Are you ready for these ones?
Yes.
Okay, so the first question is, do you have a sense of what you want to be when you get older?
Yeah, I think I want to, like, what field I want to go to. I want to go into the medical field, and what kind of person I want to be when I'm older. I just want to be a better version of myself. I want to be giving, and I want to be kind to everyone, even when they may not deserve it. Just everyone deserves respect and love.
Great answer. All right, so the next question is, are you respectful of beliefs that you do not agree with?
Yeah, I think it doesn't matter if you don't agree with what a person thinks. That's still a human being, and they deserve love and respect no matter what.
All right, so do your beliefs and values remain true when questioned?
Yeah, if you don't have the same answer when you're questioned, then you don't really believe in it then.
Okay, so the next question is, do you like yourself?
No. I love myself.
Great answer. All right, next question is, are you easily manipulated?
No, I feel like when you have a strong background growing up and when you have like a strong personality, you're not manipulated very easily. You can kind of tell when people aren't being truthful with you, and when they're not being truthful with you, you just remove yourself from the situation.
All right. So the last question is going to be, do you let people know when they have hurt your feelings?
For the most part, I think that I would let people know when they hurt my feelings. But for example, if it's like a teacher or someone who's in like a higher authority than you, then you're not gonna tell them because, I mean, it doesn't really matter.
All right, is that it?
Yes.
Cool, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Representative Denham's plan exploded the deficit by almost $2 trillion to fund tax cuts for billionaires.
3 hours later.
Why don't you tell them what time it is?
4:45.
What are you doing?
My makeup.
4:45 in the morning. You're doing makeup. Wow.
This is my life. I do homework and I watch TV.
Baby, can you put the playbook up on the internet?
Hello everyone. After doing this project and observations, I can make a few conclusions. I observed my sister Louisa over the past couple weeks and can safely say that she is in Piaget's formal operations stage. I say this because her answers and behaviors suggest that she exhibits critical thinking skills and is able to generate multiple hypotheses. According to Erickson, she should be in the identity versus role confusion stage. Again, after my observations, she is meeting the challenge because she has a good sense of self, and is true to what she believes in. For Bronfenbrenner's theory, the microsystem played a role in my sister's life. Her interactions with my mother, myself, and the rest of my family have always been very good. As a result of her upbringing, her interactions in the mesosystem have been very positive. For example, she is very friendly and is very easy to work with. School comes easy to Louisa. The social institutions that typically affect adolescents in the exosystem do not affect Louisa. She receives straight A's and loves to go to school. Thank you guys for watching the video.